Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to center part hair easy guide. Begin by brushing hair straight back to remove tangles and reveal your natural fall. Use a tail comb to mark a line from the center of your forehead to the crown. Lightly press along the line and correct any stray hairs. If needed, dampen sections and blow dry along the part for a polished, long-lasting finish that suits most hair textures. Start with clean, detangled hair and gather a fine-tooth comb, a boar bristle brush, and lightweight styling cream. Work in natural light when possible to accurately judge symmetry. Create a rough middle by sliding the comb from the bridge of your nose back to the crown, then refine until the line feels centered. Apply a pea-sized amount of styling cream to tame flyaways and finish with a quick blow dry for hold and smoothness. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more hair tips. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. They keep snacks tidy so you won't mess your part while styling, and they're perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can find those containers. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the part keeps shifting, add texture with a light salt spray and recomb into place while hair is damp. For stubborn cowlicks, blow dry the section opposite the cowlick and hold it down with a comb until cool. If a strict center unbalances your face, nudge the part 1 finger width to either side for a softer look. Small tweaks can make the centered part appear intentional and flattering on different face shapes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.